HP Envy Inspire 7200-7900, 7200e, 7900e printers, first time setup. How to properly unbox and set up HP Envy Inspire 7200-7900, 7200e, 7900e series printers. Step 1. Remove the printer from the box. The printer should be unboxed and set up on a clear, level surface with easy access to a power outlet. Caution: to avoid setup problems and potential printer damage, make sure all internal packing material is removed, all doors are closed, and all trays are reinserted before turning on the printer. Set the box on its side and remove the printer and all other materials from the box. Remove all tape from the outside of the printer. Open the front door. Lift the cartridge access door. Remove the cardboard from the print area. Lower the cartridge access door. Close the front door. Open the main tray. Remove all tape and cardboard from the paper tray. Close the main tray. Recycle the box and packaging materials. Go to www.hp.com/recycle to learn more. Step 2. Connect the power cord and set your preferences. The printer must be powered on before installing software, paper, or cartridges. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer and into an electrical outlet. If the printer does not turn on automatically, press the power button. On the printer control panel, touch your preferred language, and then touch Confirm. Touch your country/region, and then touch Confirm. Step 3. Add the printer to the HP Smart App. The HP Smart App is required and helps you connect your device to your printer. It also guides you through the rest of the setup process. Go to 123hp.com to download and install the software. Open the HP Smart App, and then touch Add a new printer, or touch the Add icon to have the app search for your printer. Follow the prompts in the HP Smart App to connect the printer to your device. During setup, you may choose to sign up for HP Plus or Instant Ink. Notes: signing up is optional and the availability depends on your country/region. Follow the animations in the HP Smart App to load paper and install the setup cartridges. The steps that follow can be used with the instructions in HP Smart to complete printer setup. Step 4. Install the ink cartridges. Your printer comes with separate ink cartridges for black and color. In order to print, these cartridges must be installed in the printer. Open the front door. Lift the cartridge access door, and then wait until the printer is idle. Remove the new cartridges from their packages. Hold each cartridge by its sides, and then pull the tab to remove the plastic tape. Notes: do not touch the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzles. Touching these areas can result in an ink system failure. Slide the ink cartridges into their slots until they snap into place. Lower the cartridge access door. Close the front door. Step 5. Load paper. Plain paper must be loaded to perform a cartridge alignment later. Open the main tray. Push back the photo tray. Slide the paper width guides to the edges of the main tray. Load a stack of plain paper into the main tray with the print side facing down. Make sure the stack of paper is aligned with the appropriate paper size lines and does not exceed the stack height marking in the tray. Adjust the paper width guides until they touch the edges of the stack of paper. Close the main tray. Pull out the output tray, and then raise the tray extension. On the printer control panel, touch Continue to align the print heads. The printer is ready for use when the alignment is complete. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.